Hey guys, it's Kelly. So today I'm going to give you a little update on some of the plants that I have, what's propagating, what's rooting, and what Hoyas are growing right now. So come hang out. Okay, so let's start with water propagations. Let's check out the Aglaonemas. Oh, look, we got roots. We got roots. Looks like everything is rooting. That is great. What do we have in here? We have a Philodendron Imperial Red, two different kinds of Aglaonemas, and a Dieffenbachia, and then some Brazil and Scindapsus cuttings. So that is good. I'm going to have to root you guys up soon. These little propagations, look how cute this is, are still doing well. I think I can root these up too soon. Okay, leave you in there. What else? The Dieffenbachia root ball is doing nothing. Lip-Lops is still alive. That's good. Good to know. What else do we have? The little peperomia that I had earlier. I didn't know the name of it, but it is dead. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's trying to grow little leaves again. We'll leave it here for now. That's like you're on the edge, you're on the plank. Figure it out, turn around, grow leaves, turn around, or jump off and die. Figure it out. Okay. So, this is the new little pot I just recently potted up with the different pothos. These are my Aglaonemas. I think I'm going to be rearranging my shelves. One, because I'm crazy and I have to do that every, I don't know, couple months. And I also want to try to put all of the same genus next to each other. So these are all philodendrons, right? And then up here on this side are all philodendrons, so that works. And then we have a couple little random guys. Oh, I can show you an update on this guy. Let's pull you into hopefully some better light. So this is my Morita plant. I had a video where I chopped it all up and made it into basically just a water plant. And you can see how much it's grown. And I have 3 different kinds in here. I have the red kind, the regular green kind, and then I have in the center a little variegated Morita plant, which is finally starting to show some variegation. So that is really cool. So yeah, if your Morita plant is struggling and you're just tired of all the crisp leaves, turn it into a water plant and just make sure you keep the water above the roots and it'll grow. So yeah, look how cute. And it's also a cute little pot. So yeah, there's that. We've kept the Haworthia alive, although all of the pups died. Whatever. The Philodendrons, they're still there. These guys, this orchid lost all of its flowers. The other one's flowers are going out. This guy is still going strong. These guys are going out. But I think the leaves are alive, so I don't think I'm killing the plant. My Philodendron heart-shaped leaf, the regular kind, is just, it's so full and bushy now. I started that with like 4 cuttings. So yeah. Alright, what else? I guess I'll show you the Hoyas, right? Show you what's growing. Alright, hold on. Alright, so this is just a quick overview of where all of my Hoyas are except for the ones hanging in windows. So Bretonii is still doing good. Pubicalyx doing fine. Multiflora doing great. Shepherdii, I don't know. And the variegated Wyetii or Kentiana, whatever it was, the vine that had all the variegations died. So it's just a regular Wyetii now. Okay. Up here, let's see, the Carnosa Freckles is finally hardening off. Sorry, I gotta walk around my prop box. My Hoya fungi put out this new cute funky leaf. This guy, my Hoya melodithii, this is the second leaf. This was a one-leafer. That's the original leaf. And this is the second leaf. Look how big it is. Look how pretty it looks. It's shiny. I don't know if you can see in the video, but yeah. So, Hoya griffithii is still just that. Hoya bella. This is like a little mini Hoya bella, and it's growing. This is the second shoot it put out. This is the original. These are some recent cuttings I got. Nothing's going on with those yet. My Hoya Jennifer, let's see if I can pull you out, put out 2 new leaves. Look at them. Look how pretty. This is a new leaf, and then that shiny one's a new leaf. Look how pretty. I'm assuming when they harden off they'll be a little lighter and you'll be able to see the venation better, but that is a pretty plant. Okay. What else? My Hoya carrii put out a new leaf. My Hoya crinkle is putting out a whole bunch of new leaves up here. I think that's mostly it. I'm probably missing some. The Crowiana Eskimo is doing well. Alright, let's see. Let's go over to the other side. Start off with the bigger ones. So the Carnosa is doing great. Abovada Splash is doing great. The little crinkle, compacta is doing fine. We got a princess and another princess, and they're both doing great. Alright, up here. So this is one of the cuttings I got from Growing Pains. It went all yellow in the prop box, so I took it out, I put it in some soil, and I think the leaves are going back to green. I'm hoping. I think it'll be okay. So this is my Hoya Rebecca, and she's growing a whole bunch. Hoya Bentiolani just put out 2 new leaves. This is the Numeroides, put out a nice long tendril. What else do we have going? My other regular Croniana is doing well. This is a recent one I got as an import, so nothing's happening with these front 3 guys. The Hoya Papa Shawani. Look how much these guys have grown. There's 4 plants in here. It's a nice little bush already, so that's cool. Let's see. This guy's the Hoya Hushiliana. It's putting out some nice decent leaves. Like, this is a nice big leaf. Hoya Diversifolia is putting out a new little baby leaf. This guy, the Hoya Bulusan, this is a new leaf and a new tendril going all the way up. So that's exciting. Another tendril is Hoya benquinensis. So far it's just a tendril, but that means leaves will come. And yeah, so that's exciting. Macrophylla, put out a new little leaf. And then my smaller Australis is continuing to grow. So yeah, it's exciting. Alright guys, I think those are out. And also my Tiger King inspired planter is looking good. We got a little bit of balding right there, but that's what happens, right? Middle-aged guys go a little bald. But look how pretty. So yeah, so that's just a quick update on my plants and how they're doing. If you have any tips for the plants that are struggling, let me know. Alright guys, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.